Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video. It is Pacific Hurricane Typhoon Season 2025 video. We have Tropical Storm Paneka. Yeah, pull up whatever. Pieiipah. This has the Philippine name to attach, though. Of course, it's the one that we have out in the Eastern Pack. Eastern Pack. Stay tuned for that, because I want to get rid of the confusion between these two. Okay, so this is warning number 3. Central location 27.7 north, 131.1 east. Moving 360 degrees, which is north at 18.4 miles per hour. Has a maximum sustained winds of 50 mile per or 40.2 miles per hour. Now, I'm gonna go into the confusion with this one really quickly. Kiko. Believe it or not, we have a major hurricane named Kiko out there right now in the Eastern Pack. I will show proof that right now it is right here. We have Kiniko right there. What makes it more confusing is this it? What makes it so much more confusing very quickly? If you scroll down here, you could see that Kaneko is right here. So there's 2 incidents of Kaneko happening, and it is confusing to the people who are wondering what the hell this system. Well, Kaneko is the Philippine name. Kaneko is the Eastern Pacific name. Just so we can get rid of the confusion. Anyway, we're gonna hop over to Zoom Earth, and then this video will be ending. Okay, so here's a storm. It was a tropical depression with that name, but I refuse to record a tropical depression unless you guys want me to. Let me know in the comments, and I'll do it, and I'll include it as a special video. But that is not why we're here for this. It currently has winds of 40. It's gonna have a peak wind gust or peak winds of 45. It has a pressure of 999 or 999, and it's expected to stay like maybe not stay like that. I don't know, but yeah. Japan, you are in the fret for this, and I'll let you know that Japan, yes, this is yes, but yeah, take action, please, immediately. That being said, this is Tropics WX signing out. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.